3.1.2, they want to know what is the total value of voters' investment after the 8 years. So we, of course, again can use one of two methods here. We can say, well, if I want to know the final amount after 8 years, I can simply take the amount that I invested, which was 12,000 Rand, and I can add all the interest that I've accumulated for the 8 years, which is, what happened? Which is 11,328 Rand. And just add that, and I get a total amount of 23,328 Rand. Or we can use our formula for the final amount in such an investment, that is R times N over 100. And our principal amount here was, of course, 12,000 Rand, multiplied by the bracket of 1 plus the interest rate here was 11,8 times the 8 years. And this entire calculation we can just then do 11,8 times 8 divided by 100, then add the 1, then times by 12,000, and I get the exact same answer of 23,328 Rand, and that is my final amount. It is the same final amount. Number 4, a television costs 12,500 Rand excluding VAT. If VAT is 15%, calculate the value of the television including VAT. So again, like I mentioned previously, the golden number here is the 1,15, and I simply need to either divide or multiply with this number depending on what they ask me. So they've given me a television's price excluding VAT. So we said if it's excluding VAT, we need to they want us to include the VAT, which means we need to multiply by this number. So 12,500 Rand, and we are now going to multiply by 1,15 because we want to include the VAT. And that simply means taking your calculator, saying 12,500 multiplied by 1,15, and it gives you your answer immediately. It is 14,375, and that is it. You're done. Number 5, express the following ratio in its simplest form. We have 33 to 132. It is in fact divided by, but yeah. So we need to simplify this ratio, and we do that by finding the highest common factor and then dividing by it. So if I just make a little space here on the side of the page, and if I quickly just do the same thing I did in the previous test, where I just quickly go do two ladders here, and I say, okay, that's 3, that is 11, that's 11, that's 1, and this is 2. Let's quickly just do that. 132 divided by 2 gives us 66, and that would also be 2, and we divide by 2, that's 33, and that's 3, it's 11, and that's 1. Okay, so here we have 3 times 11. I'm doing this quickly because this is what you would do if you were in this position. You just quickly want to check what's the HCF. And then for 132, you would have 2 times, or 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 11. Okay, so clearly here, my commons is 3 and 11. Okay, so 11 times 3 is 33. In other words, 33 is the biggest number that can divide into both of these numbers. So I will take 33 divided by 33, and I'll take 132 and divide it by 33. Now 33 divided by 33 is 1, and 132 divided by 33 is 4. And there we go. That is our ratio in its simplest form.